Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I have another interesting thing to show you here, and this is the Volume 1 Tamiya Tune-up set. This set consists of the high mount set, the speed roller and wheel set, and the wing and dart set. Now let's take a look at the back of the box to see what we have. At the back we have the instructions for the 3 items in English and in Japanese. Now if you look at the illustration on the bottom right, you'll see that these parts are primarily meant for the Hornet and the Avante. Now let me unbox this and show you what we have inside. Now right off the box we have the speed roller and wheel set. And then we have the high mount roller set. And lastly we have the wing and dart set. In addition, there is a sticker here. This is the Japan Cup 1989 decorative sticker. Looks pretty cool. Alright, let me get everything out and then we'll try to put them onto the 2 cars and see how they look like. Alright, here's my Hornet car converted to radio control. Here's the front view, the side view. You can see the driver inside, which I have painted. I also painted part of the body shell here with silver paint to give it that metal pipe look. Here's the rear view with the words "The Hornet." On the front you could see the servo, which is used for the proportional steering. For the wing and dart set, there are actually 2 cars that it can be used on. The first car is the Hornet and the second car is the Falcon Attack Junior. Since I have the Hornet, I'll be using E3, which would be this wing here. The other car that we're going to use the tune-up set on needs no introduction, is the Avante, the classic one. Once again, this is radio control. I featured this in my previous video. Do watch the video if you haven't done so. Alright, the tune-up parts are now installed on the cars and this is how they look like. Here's the new wing in comparison with the old one, and a new bumper for the Avante. For the Hornet, I did not use the wheels that come with the tune-up parts. This is because I need to use the orange wheels here. They are required for my RC conversion. These wheels come in the Tamiya steering set. I did use these high-speed rollers, which are the metal ones, from the tune-up parts kit. Alright, let's take these 2 cars out for a spin. Well, that's all I have for this video. As always, thank you for dropping by, and I will see you next time.